This brand new 2024 Ford F-150 Raptor came to us for one reason: long-lasting protection front to back. We started with a full hand wash and clay bar treatment to remove any contaminants from the paint. Then we machine polished the surface to ensure a clean, smooth base for the ultimate adhesion. Next, we pulled up the exact template for this Raptor in our software and sent it to our Graphtec 9000 plotter. The Graphtec precisely cut the paint protection film for the bumper, headlights, front hood, fenders, door cups, and mirrors, all tailored to fit this truck perfectly. Once the film is cut by our plotter, we transfer it to a peel board where we remove the excess material in a process called weeding. This is the final step before applying the PPF to the vehicle. The film is then installed using a slip solution, and we carefully squeegee out any remaining liquid to ensure a precise, bubble-free application with a seamless finish. After the PPF was installed, we applied a 3-year ceramic coating, not only to the rest of the painted surfaces, but also over the PPF for added hydrophobic protection and a uniform gloss. The result? This Raptor now has a tough, invisible shield guarding it from rock chips, scratches, and the elements, and it looks even better than it did on the showroom floor.